Hey, it's Brian on ProTinkerToys.com. This is a new line of Nerf light guns. Okay, I mean, you can't really, everything's made by, the Nerf license is over, but, you know, it's Nerf light. They're soft pellet guns, okay? And this is the Firefly. This is one of 4 new guns that we have. This basically comes with 6 bullets. It'll hold 4, and then it shoots a double shot. Holy cow, that's pretty sweet. It's a double barrel, okay, the Firefly. This is a great gun. These are great quality Nerf guns, okay? Let me shoot it right at the camera here. Oh, I missed again. Dang, nabbit. All right, so this is the Firefly. It's a double barrel, plus comes 4 extra bullets, okay? Very high quality by Paris Manufacturing. These are a whole new selection of guns that we have, and this is one of the 5 of guns that I'm going to be showing here in the next couple of days, okay? And this is Firefly. Oh, missed again. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and give us thumbs up on the bottom of the video, okay? Thanks a lot, ProTinkerToys.com!